Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. I am Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared for second grade, Module 5, Lesson 2. All right, circle the correct value that uses the fewest coins. So we want to find 47 cents for this banana, but we want the fewest coins. That means the smallest amount of total coins. Let's just count coins first. Right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 coins there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 coins there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 7 coins there. So these two are smaller, but we have to make sure it equals 47 cents. So we have a quarter here. That's 25. We have a nickel and a nickel there. That's 10. So we're at 35 cents and 2 pennies. Well, if we put a 2 up here, 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. That gives us 37 cents. And that doesn't work. Over here, we have a quarter. We have a dime. We have a dime. And we have 2 pennies. That gives us 47 cents. And over here, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47. So we also have 47 here. But this says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. This says fewest coins. This has 5 coins. So our winner is right there, the middle one. All right, circle that one. Number 2 says, draw to show the value 2 ways. Circle the ways to use the fewest. Circle the way that uses the fewest. So we need to make 21 cents twice and 65 cents twice. I will help you with 65 cents. You can do 21 cents. You want to do it. All right. So 65 cents. How can we break that down? We could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we put a D in there, these are dimes. Right? So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then if we put a nickel, that gives us 65. That gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 coins. Over here, if you want, another way you could do it is if we do a Q and a Q, that's a quarter. So we have 2 quarters, that's 50 cents. If we put a dime and a nickel, right? 25, 25 is 50. 50 plus 10 is 60. And 60 plus 5 is 65. So both of these are 65 cents. This one used 7 coins. This one is 4 coins. So this would be the one that uses the fewest coins. Don't forget up here, you have to do 21. Do it 2 different ways. All right, 2 different ways to find 21. On the back, we have nothing again. Look at that. That's 2 days in a row. That's been pretty quick and easy. All right. I hope this helps. If this is helping you, help me out. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Make sure you tell your friends at other schools about Mr. Short helping people out. Because honestly, guys, I just want to help more kids understand this math. Parents, I want to help you more too. I know it's a different way of looking things. A lot of times a different way than we learned. I'm just trying to help everybody out. All right? You guys are off to have a good night.